Hey, it's Jared here, and I'm going to show you how to set up a Facebook page. It's relatively easy to do. You just want to go to facebook.com/pages/create. Okay, it's facebook.com/pages/create. And when you go there, you'll land on a page that looks like this. And what you want to do is you just want to choose this first option here that says local business or place. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then it's going to ask me to choose a category. So if I click right here and get the drop down list, I can choose the category of real estate. It's right there. So I'll choose real estate. And then I just want to put my business or place name. So basically this is going to be the name of your page. I recommend doing a non-branded page. You can also do a branded page, but we found in testing that non-branded typically works a little bit better. And I generally create a page based on the area. So for example, we're in Jacksonville, Florida. So I might create a page called Nice Jacksonville Homes, like this. Okay, so that would be the name of my page. And if you were in Atlanta, for example, you might call it Nice Atlanta Homes or Nicest Atlanta Homes. Basically, you're making it more about the area than you are about yourself or your business. I hope that makes sense. And then you just want to put in the street address. This is the street address to your business. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put that in. And then city, state, obviously, same thing. Okay, and then you want to put in your zip code. Okay, and then you want to put in a phone number. So I'll just put in our phone number here, and then you just click get started. Okay, whoops, okay, we already have a page named that, so let me call it something else. I'll just call it Nicest Atlanta Homes, just for the sake of arguments. Okay, Nicest Atlanta Homes. So go ahead and get started. And there it goes, and then it's going to ask you for a category, and once again inside category you just want to choose real estate. Okay, and then tell people what this page is about. Now a lot of people feel like they need to put their their license number or something on here that tells about them. If you need to do that, you can put your license number right here. Okay, or you can put about your business or anything like that. So you can put license number, about business, etc. Anything you want right here. Okay, and then website. If you do have a website, you can put your website URL right here. Okay, and then your Facebook page address. Now sometimes it will ask you for this and sometimes it won't. If this option is not here, then don't worry about it. It's okay. You don't have to have a Facebook address, but sometimes they will ask for it, and if they do, you just want to create a Facebook address. And what it means is basically you're creating the URL. So you can make it facebook.com/nicest Atlanta Homes, no spaces, kind of just like that, or whatever whatever you want to call it. This is really just up to you. We'll see if this is available. And then it says, is Nicest Atlanta Homes a real establishment, business, or venue? Just choose yes. And then it says, will Nicest Atlanta Homes be the authorized and official representation? And just say yes. And then you want to click save information. The web address is not available. Please try another one. And you'll probably run into that a lot. So for the sake of argument, I'm just going to put some random number like that just so we can get through this tutorial. But you get the idea. So I'll click save info. Okay, so now let me do that, and then it wants you to upload a photo. We've found that uploading a profile picture, which is what this is asking for, of a really nice house does really well. Okay, so I might choose upload from computer, and I'll choose a nice house picture. Okay, and there it is, and I'll just click next. And then it wants you to add it to your favorites. This just puts it on the sidebar of your news feed so you can see the page when you log in. This is optional. You don't have to do this, but you can if you want to. You can click add to favorites. Okay, I'll just click skip for now because I'm not interested in doing that right now. And then it's going to ask you to go ahead and set up an ad. You don't want to do this right now because we're going to do this in a few minutes. So for right now, just go ahead and skip this step. Don't do it like this. Okay, so I'll click skip. Okay, And that's pretty much all there is to it. Now the page is created, and it's going to ask you to click next a lot, and basically it's just showing you around where everything is. And feel free to read all of these when you're setting it up, okay? And your page is pretty much set up now. If you want to create a cover photo, which is the photo behind the profile picture, you can. It's just up to you what you want to put back here, really. There's no right or wrong way to do it, okay? So you can add a cover photo if you want to, but that's pretty much it. That is how you set up a Facebook page. If you have any questions, please contact support at 386-752-6534.